Thanks for joining me as I make you a pumpkin spice latte today. It's going to be spiced and stirred with a cinnamon stick. What kind of milk do you like? It's a nice little swirl. And I have a special mug just for you. It's got a handle and it's super cozy when you put your hands around the cup. I wasn't sure which cup you'd want to use, so I got you this one because it feels really good in the hands. The handle is firm, and there's a saucer in case you decide you want a cookie too. This cup is perfect for your pumpkin spice latte because it's got a little pumpkin right on the front. I've doodled lots of things for you before, so if you want even more of these little doodles, let me know by liking and subscribing to the channel. I appreciate you, and I want you to have a chance to come again if you'd like. I bolded the outer edges because I wanted to make it pop out, and also because I wanted to make sure your cup wasn't too wobbly. It was a little crooked to start. Everything here is handmade, and of course, since it's not machine made, it's not exactly perfectly straight. But it's lovely, and it's made with love, and it's made for you. All these curvy lines are a little tricky, and especially if I want to get them the same on both sides, which I do because I'm making it just for you. I'm not sure if pumpkin spice latte is your favorite drink. I know for me, I'm okay with a pumpkin spice latte, but this time of year, an eggnog latte is my very favorite. Otherwise, a really dark chocolate mocha or just a whole milk latte. Although sometimes I prefer almond milk. Well, your latte is almost done now. Here you go. I hope you enjoy it. And before I give it to you, just a little spice on the top. Thanks for watching. I hope you join me again and have a great day. I hope to see you next time. Bye-bye.